Good day. This is a tutorial on how to make your Windows PC snappier and low in operating temperatures. So first, go to your Start logo, right click, select System. After that, scroll down, go to Advanced System Settings, press Settings, press the Adjust for Best Performance, select Animations in the taskbar, show thumbnails instead of icons, show Windows contents while dragging, smooth edges of screen fonts, then smooth scroll list boxes. After that, press Apply, go to OK, OK, then press Home, scroll down, press Personalization, press Colors, select Transparency Effects to off, turn that off. After that, close the settings, go to your battery settings, go to power options, select balanced, press change pan settings, go to change advanced power settings, scroll down, expand the processor management by double clicking it, expand minimum processor state, set that to 5, then in the maximum processor state, set both to 99, in the plugin percentage 99 also, then click apply, press OK, close, go to your taskbar, right click, select task manager, go to startup, then disable the starting applications. Disable. So that's all. Thank you.